Pooh Bear, there's one thing we didn't do today.
And what thing might that be?
Nothing.
Nothing. Christopher Robin, what exactly is doing nothing?
Well, I'm told it means going along, listening to all the things you can't hear, and not bothering. It's when people say, "What are you two doing?" And we say, "Oh, nothing." And we do it. This is sort of a nothing thing we're doing right now. I wish it could last forever.
Well, then we must do it again tomorrow, and the tomorrow after, and the tomorrow following that.
Pooh Bear, what if someday there came a tomorrow when we were apart?
As long as we're apart together, we shall certainly be fine.
Yes, of course. But if we weren't together, if I were somewhere else?
Oh, but you really couldn't be, as I would be quite lost without you. Who would I call? On those days when I'm just not strong enough, or brave enough.
Well, actually...
And who would I ask for advice when I didn't know which way to turn?
Pooh,
we simply wouldn't be.
Oh, Pooh. If ever there's a tomorrow when we're not together, there's something you must remember.
And what might that be, Christopher Robin?
You're braver than you believe, and stronger than you seem, and smarter than you think.
Oh, that's easy. We're braver than a bee, and longer than a tree, and taller than a goose. Or was that a moose?
No, silly old bear. You're braver than you believe, and stronger than you seem, and smarter than you think. But the most important thing is, even if we are apart, I'll always be with you. I'll always be with you. Always be with you.